Hi everyone. I have a few examples here. This is the first example of why 81 raised to the 3/4 power equals 27. And so basically what you need to know is that 4 is your root. So if we have 81 to the 3/4, 4 is your root. So that's the fourth root of 81. And 3 is your power, so that's cube. Now normally, especially with big numbers, you want to do the fourth root of 81. And the fourth root of 81 is what number multiplied by itself 4 times gives you 81. And that would be 3. So the fourth root of 81 is 3, because 3 times 3, and you could just break it down like that. You know that's 9 times 9 is 81. So then you have your 4 of the 3's, and then you cube it. We're doing the power part last, equals 27. You don't want to do the power part first because that would be too big. So you always want to root it first. So the next one we have to simplify this one. So I'm going to take each piece. We have the square root of 16 times the square root of x squared times x to the 2/3. So that's good. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x squared is just x. And then we have times x to the 2/3. Then we have a plus here. And I'm going to split this up. Cube root of 8 times cube root of x to the 5th. And the only thing you have to do with this one, and this is the first power, since I have the same basis, I'm going to write this as x to the 3/3 times x to the 2/3, and that's going to give you x to the 3/3 plus 2/3, because when you're adding fractions, they have the same denominator. So that's x to the 5/3. So on this part, this is going to be 4 times x to the 5/3. Now you have a cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and you still have the cube root of x to the 5th. Now what I can do is I can rewrite this. This is your root, so you can write cube root of x to the 5th. So now we have 4 times the cube root of x to the 5th plus 2 times cube root of x to the 5th. Since both of these terms are the same, we can combine them. So that's going to end up giving you, we have 4 of these plus 2 of those, that's 6 of these. And these is cube root of x to the 5th. And here's another one. It's just very simple. We want to write an expression for this. So we have a square root that's like a 2. So that's going to be a to the 5. That's your power halves. All right. So there's that one. And I have some information for you here. So just remember, where is it that I want it to? So your root goes here and your power goes here. And here's some examples if you want to screenshot that. And that might help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.